Hi friends, this video shows how to enable safe mode or how to enter into safe mode. First we need to press and hold power button. So here we can see power off button. On this power off button we need to tap and hold. Now we can see safe mode button here. If we tap again on this safe mode button, the phone will restart and enter into safe mode. In safe mode, all downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. If you are facing any problem, for example your phone is very slow or your phone has some virus, in that case you can enter into safe mode and temporarily disable all downloaded apps. Then you would be easily debug the issue. Okay, so that is a use of this safe mode. So let me go back. So this way we can enter into safe mode and troubleshoot the issue. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.